So I'm going to pay my rent right now, but I've been thinking a lot about purchasing another pistol. And I've got a Glock 19, several Polymer 80s, 1911, and I'm thinking about a Glock 17. Good God, a Gertie, it's hot in this truck. What do y'all think? What would, if you was going to buy yourself a new pistol, what would you be looking at? Glock 17? Or would you go with the Beretta or the hipster F&N 5.7, which I personally don't like the 5.7, but or Staccato 1911 if you have a couple $1,000 to blow. Anyways, let me know.